Mama wakwaba wafreme ajowa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo NPP communicators ni bi enendo mo ekase na omo etres omo bi so man pani dada John Dramani Mahama asem na da asem na NPP fo so omo ebi so man pani dada John Dramani Mahama say NDC for atwaba you know as omo leader as flag bearer out to Frank Adia Momo 2024 about year omo kwakwesi NPP fui omo ebi sans wa yo man pani da nti bana say omo so be dey question people for ebi so wampenda da John Dramani Mahama ina say sisi Ghana he ye kan sikafo a titire omo wo sika pa wo Ghana ha no wampenda da John Dramani Mahama no to so enan na NPP communicate o kire say enye anu nko a NPP amayoku no Ghana fo ina ye bi so wampenda da John Dramani Mahama say companies ahe no wo juma he na wa bi wo Ghana ha a ye kesikafo omo wo Ghana ha no ma wo to so enan. Then the comment section as a boom cry say ne brother ne cement factory no e your man penda da John Dramani Mahama dia e no de ne ma tete na ne nua na age abo so ye adwuma wo ho sa na comment section e bi mo e ka nti NPP communicate e kire say Ghana mai na ye bi so man penda da John Dramani Mahama say o me explain en kire yen say esikafo Ghana ha oto so nan no ne sika no onya ne he yenti nsem a wo de etidwa.
I want you guys to do the math for me. NDC was going to do Tamale Airport, International Airport, Phase 2 for 150 million, Sister Lily. Entiente Ekufuado, almost what you need now for $70 million. Diana NDC for some, even then, oh my God, you Ghana for me, you wicked Ghana don't want to grow. Ghana don't want to develop. No, it's not true. Omo boa, omo pause, omo party ba. NPP percent the party ba. NDC percent the party ba. Ubia percent the party ba. Omo boa. It is not about Ghana. Because it's about Ghana, NDC should never be nowhere near the presidency. Because or say obesi phase 2 for $150 million. Ekufuado comes 2017, plans it. 2018, we get a loan agreement. 2019, we start building. Tamale International Airport Phase 2 is finished. Cost us 80 million less than what NDC would have charged us. And please, it's not cities. Ekufuado and his government saved Ghana $80 million for Phase 2 of Tamale Interchange. Sorry, with Tamale Airport. So the question you are supposed to ask yourself and say, how come we don't know any company of John Dramani Mahama, but he ends up being the 4th richest man in Ghana? How does that make sense? A pensioner, a presidential pensioner. Now you pay at the full what Ghana or Tosso 4 in Ghana. You can't now boom one more Weska or Ghana Mahama Tosso 4. You name the company. At least despite today, him said this way chocolate drink or at least despite today, him say ya kwa man baba onabo to say no. Adia na e kone dia aban no wanya dia kwa onabo. Na eja kwa bena so aba. Mu di ade ena mu sheyesu ena mu breyesu ni tu kondo jimi enko na mu breyesu na mu breyesu. Na moya ne sika du posuduo na poko nkwasi akeka nko a nkurase MC ajana 1 ajana 2 Jimmy lifestyle na meja kwabena na mo de teto nkwasi akeka na no de akeka na the government is suppress on sebe omunkwasi aburofo bi ya on betena UTV wo omokeka. The government is suppress Ghana people and government not give Ghana media under attack. Kwasia wa betra where the president yatem we 30 minutes we 30 minutes so 30 minutes no the emu 25 minutes e di abina tem with the 5 minutes ne chia was the government is stopping you from talking your mind. Wow boy. I don't even want to talk about interoperability now, Mr. Samuel Brobe. Thank you for that. But But I just want to talk about projects. No, I'm sorry. And I'm Mahama ne ye say ma me pese ye share me see me bisa say show me which project Mahama finished and completed. This is where NPP communicators need to start asking. Madam Jennifer Queen, when you go onto those platforms and those shallow-minded people, Madam Jennifer, ask them, say, you concede. Yes, no problem. Now you also want to ask them, say, projects no almost sorry, almost say, Mahama na ye no. Omo ba kwa Mahama na starting we ye commission ya san wo fira be mu. And now kwaka dum sa NDC for so mo na stop with them so. Na unim de unim areho semewu. Ghana for ni bi so agye de say ampa. NDC asolve dum so. Okay. Eba understand almost solve here. Oh, omo kofa power agreement by internet no mo de be solve dum so. No problem. Me pa cho sa power plant na mo kofa ba ya mo se no na solve dum so no. Many MPP ni communicator. Na mete platform so kasa. Question na maybe some opponent the NDC ne say. Some machines na mo kofa ba ye no. Me pa mo cho mumbo ba kwa na eye adwuma e ma ye power. Nu nti e solve dum so while Mahama was there 2016 2017 January 7th. Now, you know why? Because can no first one abai we etumi use ye no. Na flight etumi afri Burkina Faso abagana belande ebema iska. Any flight that lands on our land pays money. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Every flight that lands on the soil of Ghana, so long as it's not even if it's a Ghanaian flight, it still owes the country money. We didn't see a flight from even Cote d'Ivoire to come to the north. Neither did we see some, even from the Volta region that he claims he has done Volta Aerodrome. Volta Airport. That is what Mahama told us. That is what he told us. Me, I will give you the fact. You can also cross-check. We end this in our family. Me patrol, but plane, international plane bakwa, you two, ADBC Tamale. Phase 1 na moye. And now let me tell you how the T3 even gets more worse when it comes to Tamale International Airport. Omuwie 130 million na. Omuwie a free Ghana for who ye. Ede niyama kosin sam ho keke no. Ewie no. Omo say omo beye phase 2 ya Ekufuado ne na banya ya omo ebie ya. Omo be here $150 million more. Phase 1, 130. Phase 2, so almost 150 million. Intinanka plane in two free brochrim by you, and I say over $300 million on Tamale Airport alone. Yes, $300 million. If NDC had built the phase 2, they were going to charge us $150 million. And you think that government nanka obebuemia ukomuno better than a government that did phase 2 for $70 million. Are you people correct? Sister, we are sure so Ghana ye. Are you sure it's not just your party that you just want to see your party in power? That is why you are fooling around? Seriously, you don't think say your party I'll say about power and a wood Jimmy na. Because check Obiso basing for 150 million. 150 million minus 70. What's yes, I'm at na mama.